Hey, what's up? I'll be showing you how to stop the vibrations on your washing machine. Now, I've posted a video showing you how to stop them by working on the washing machine itself, but this video is more for people with wooden floors or with foundations that are not really stable, because you might like repair the problem with the washing machine, but if your floor is not stable, for example wooden floors, if the boards underneath are rotting and now it's uneven and it's not taking vibrations properly and they're just traveling all the way through the house. If you have it, you know it. Most people get the vibration mats that you buy at the supermarket or at a white goods store. I've never been really a fan of them, mostly a critic, but there's something else that I've just found recently that really does the job well. This company is making really good stuff, and this is not a sponsorship in any way, but it's something that a customer of mine used and it worked for them, so hopefully it's going to help a lot more people out there. And this product it's pretty good. So these things are called the VibraShield anti-vibration pads, and they are sold by a company called Sumato Stuff. And if you want to buy some, now if you go to most shops, you'll get vibration mats costing you about $50 or $60 US. They don't really do the job because these really absorb the vibration that is coming from there. Whereas if you get a vibration mat, it's just a thin piece of foam or a thin piece of rubber, and it doesn't really do much to stop those vibrations. Trust me, if you get this, it'll significantly improve the vibrations that are running throughout your house. But of course, if you haven't fixed the real issue behind the vibrations, maybe to do with the washing machine itself, please fix that first. If that fixes it for a bit and doesn't really solve the vibration running throughout the house, then you need the VibraShields, which will do this proper job. What you're looking for is these VibraShields by Sumato, and you can easily buy them on Amazon. Amazon will be the best place to go and buy these. Of course, some people sell them on eBay, but the basic principle behind these is there's 4 of them, and 1 of them goes on each foot on your washing machine. I'll show you in a minute. And this is what you're looking at. That's what 1 of them looks like. So you have 4 of these. 2, 3, 4. And you'll need to install these on each foot and the corner of your washing machine. So most people don't know that your washing machine has like legs or feet under it. On each corner it has one. So these would need to sit in here, and as you can see, this is nice and thick, and it's got this design that's guaranteed to absorb all those vibrations and help the vibrations not to travel through the house, through the floor. So I'm gonna show you how to install them on your washing machine, and I'll show you those feet that I'm talking about as well. So this is the front of your washing machine, and on each corner there is a foot. As you can see, these rubber bits here. So there's one over here and one over on this side, and the same goes for at the back. There'll be other ones there. So simple way to install them is maybe have a second person helping you out, and then just place this under each foot so that it's sitting on in that thing, and then you just put it down, and then it's going to be sitting in there. So it's going to make less noise from the vibrations. Do the same for the other one. If you've got no one helping you, you can just lift one side at a time. This is assuming yours is not that heavy. I think these are rated for a lot of weight as well, so you should be right. They fit really nice and snug. Of course, your washing machine is going to be sitting a bit higher. That's something to consider if you've got a cabinet above your washing machine. But otherwise, these do a pretty good job taking those vibrations out of your washing machine. So if you have any questions about this and where to get it, you can just type in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help you out, point you in the right direction. If you've got other questions related to vibrations on your washing machine, do the same as well, and I will get back to you. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.